Hi everyone, it's your best friend Steve again, and look at my bedroom. Ha! Isn't my bedroom look great? Ha! Oh, I know. Oh, it's just so birthday. It's kind of like a party. It feels like a party. It looks like a party. And there's balloons and some balloons everywhere. It was cool, isn't it? But anyway, I'm back with another taste test video, and this one's gonna be my favorite fruit. And what do you mean by my favorite fruit, you ask? Well, um, by my favorite fruit, what I mean is gonna be a banana. Yes, I love bananas so much. Do you like bananas too? You do? Great. Well, bananas happen to be one of my favorite fruits of all time. But if you don't like bananas, or if you hate bananas, is is then I respect your opinion. But anyway, let's let's taste taste let's taste this banana right now. Ooh, look up inside. Mmm, that's so cool. Ooh, and look, it's got a real. That's what. That's the way when you peel a banana. Oh, it smells so good. I'm I'm starting to feel hungry. Wow, this is so delicious. Mmm, I love the taste of bananas. Mmm, you know, you can make all different foods using bananas, like banana pudding, banana cake, or banana milk, or banana smoothies, which are great. Mm-hmm. Mm. It's so good. I love bananas so much. If there's someone if there's someone out there who loves bananas, then comment down below if you love bananas or if you don't like bananas. Mm. It's so good. It's so good. And, and you know what? And, and, and like I said, bananas happen to be one of my favorite fruits of all time. Mm. Wow. Oh, I think I'm in love with bananas. Mm. Well, there was people out there who said, and it's hard for them to eat bananas like that, like this, but it's easy for me to eat like this. Mm. Hold on. That banana sure tastes great. So, oh, If you guys love bananas, then comment down below if you love bananas like me. And if you like this video, you know the drill. You can comment, like, and subscribe for more videos.